special guests who are going to say a few words. Mark Hamill.
And they spelled it right.
George. Mark.
And everybody straight ahead.
It's just extraordinary. You never get used to it, and I'll never take it for granted. They are the most passionate, loyal people. They are with you in career highs, career lows.
When I was about 9 years old, I saw A New Hope for the first time, and just him turning on the lightsaber for the first time was one of the coolest things I've ever seen. And since then, I've just been like, just such a huge fan. And seeing The Last Jedi, I was just like in tears through the movie, and it was just so awesome.
Mark right here, Mark. Mark straight ahead. Mark right here, Mark.
Mark, give me a little love.